Blame will destroy you. Blaming other people will destroy your life. And worse than that, it'll destroy you from the inside out. I know, because I did it. When my mum walked out when I was 12, I thought the world had ended. And for years, I blamed her for everything, every bad decision, every struggle. Every time life didn't go my way, it always came back to that. Well, if she hadn't left, and you don't even realize you're doing it, it just becomes part of your identity, your excuse, your safety net, until one day, life turns round and hands it back to you. For me, that was divorce, twice, and suddenly, I wasn't the one pointing the finger anymore. I was the one people were pointing at. He's the problem. He's the common denominator. And that's when it hits you. Everyone's got their own story, their own reasons, their own version of the truth. That makes sense to them. You might not like it. You might not agree with it. But at that moment in time, they did what they thought they had to do. And holding on to blame, it doesn't change any of that. It just eats you alive, quietly, day by day, until you don't even recognize yourself anymore, bitter, stuck, looking backwards instead of forward. And here's the truth. If you don't take accountability, you don't move forward. Simple as that. Life will test you. People will leave. Things will break. Plans will fall apart. But what you do next, that's on you. And forgiveness, that's not for them. Forget that. They'll protect their peace anyway. Forgiveness is for you, so you can breathe again, so you can think clearly again, so you can build again, because I had to. Redundancies, 2 divorces, starting from nothing more than once. And yeah, it nearly broke me, but it also built me. So if you're sat there right now, blaming someone for where you are, stop. Not for them, for you, because your life doesn't change until you do. If you want to see how I rebuilt it, all of it, the mistakes, the lessons, the truth, it's there. Unlockyourpromise.com or link in the bio. Be kind, keep smiling, and keep moving forward, no matter what.